This 2023 Forest River Sunseeker 2550 DSLA is a Class C RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Forest River is 29 feet 4 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a VERMONT interior, sleeps 8, TV, slideout, smoke detector, CO detector, oven, LP detector, awning, air conditioning, skylight, refrigerator, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2023 Forest River Sunseeker 2550 DSLA is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.